Now another simple topic we can do. Um, FBRA, result of reverse geared items. What is FBRA? What is FBRA in SAP FICO and how is it different from reverse documents? Okay. कार्तिक की चलिए अलग क्या चलेंगे
This is very important concept in SAP FICO because many people confuse FBA 08 document reversal with FBRA reset cleared items. What is FBRA? FBRA stands for reset cleared items. It is used to cancel the clearing of an open item. If required, it can also reverse the cleared document. Transaction code FBRA.
wait
Firstly, what is
wait
clearing?
wait uh server
First, what is clearing? Suppose you have a vendor rupees 10,000. Entry will be expense debit account 10,000 to vendor credit 10,000. The vendor item is now open.
okay
Vendor payment.
wait
You
wait
pay the vendor
wait suppose what
rupees
is
10.
first of all what is clearing suppose you have a vendor invoice yes like B60 entry this vendor item is now open yes B60 B60 53 continue
Vendor payment. You pay the vendor rupees 10,000. Then the entry will be vendor debit account 10,000 to bank account credit 10,000. After payment, SAP clears the invoice against the payment. The invoice status changes from open item to cleared item.
okay. So now when the once you make the payment, you standard payment yes or no? So you make the payment, yes or no? After payment, SAP yes the payment, yes or no? Yes or no?
Hey, what's breaking?
Sir,
Sir,
your
your
voice
voice
is
is not
breaking,
Sir,
sir.
your
audible.
voice is not clear.
Yeah. Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
No.
yes. Now it's clear.
Okay, now understand. First we have made the vendor invoice FB60, yes or no? Then we have made the we have made F-53. Today's payment we have made standard payment, yes or no? And then we saw that after payment, SAP clears the invoice against the payment. It is no longer there in the open document. It is there in the cleared item. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, no,
Yes, sir.
everyone. Yes, it is in the cleared item. Okay, now what if the clearing was wrong? For example, you cleared the wrong invoice. You matched the wrong customer payment. You accidentally cleared two invoices. You cannot simply reverse the invoice because SAP says document has been cleared. Yes or no? Once the document has been cleared, you cannot reverse it. There you have to use FBRA. Okay? There you have to use FBRA. And before we were using, if you see here, mm, we did document reversal FB08. Yes or no? You remember FB08? We did document reversal. There we did the document reversal before the payment. Before the payment was done. Yes or no? After the payment is done, we have to do FBRA to reset it. And only then we can reverse it. Clear everyone? After the payment is done,
Yes, sir.
we have to do reset. We have to reset it and only then we can reverse it. So how to do it? Let's first understand the concept again. What does FBRA do? FBRA can perform two actions. Reset clearing. It removes the clearing relationship. Yes. Okay, that you have to understand. Now, first, how is FBRA different from FB08? A reverse accounting document. This is FB08. This is reset clearing. Yes. Both are used for incorrect post. This is used for incorrect postings. FB08. This is used for incorrect clearing. Yes. Works on any unreversed document. This works. FBRA works on cleared items. Yes. Can reverse payment? Yes. If it is not cleared, we can reverse it. FB60 only done, then we can reverse it. But after F-53 we make the payment, then only FBRA is possible. Okay, like that we can do. Yes. Now let's go and understand this step by step. Okay. So now we'll go here. Okay. Slash n. Okay. First we'll take a, yes, we'll go to FBL1N. FBL1N. We'll go to open items, or we'll go to first we'll go to open items. Okay, open items. Select. Okay, wait, let me close this, let me remove this. Let me go to open items. So open items may we still have 5,000. Yes or no? 5,000 as an open item. Yes or no? Can we do FBRA for this?
Yes.
FBRA we cannot do for this because it is not cleared. Only after it is cleared we can do FBRA. Getting it?
Yes.
Okay.
So
For partial payments, we can't do it, sir.
no, no. Only when it is cleared. Now if it is cleared, let's go to cleared items. Now for cleared items we can do. Yes or no? For cleared items we can do
Okay.
FBRA. Okay. So now if you try to do, let's say if you try to do, if you try to go to open items and if you do 5,000, what is 40000? No, let's try to do FBRA for this. Okay. Let me go to FBRA 5. Okay. SN1 fiscal year 2026. Okay. Reset cleared items. Enter, enter, and then save. Okay. Reversal only reset. Okay, so it is being reset. For partial, it is being reset. Can you see? Clearing 5,000 reset. Yes or no? Because 5,000 half payment was done. That's why it is allowing us. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now let me just post another invoice. So I want to explain it very clearly. Let me go to FB60. We'll make another payment. Let me go to OB57 first. OB57. SAM. Save. Okay, let me go here. Let me close all this. Okay, first. Okay, FB60 we will go. We'll make a company code SAN1 4,200. Amount will do 1,000. Purchase account debit 1,000. Yes, green, and then SN1 post. Okay, now this has been posted. Yes or no? But this has this been cleared? PL1L. You go to open items. Oh, this. Yes, can you see 1,000? Yes or no? Can you see 1,000? We just posted this. It is an open items. Yes or no? Now it is not cleared. Have you made the payment for this?
Not yet, sir.
Not yet. So can we do FBRA? If you go to FBRA, yes, and if you try to do 202, enter. What does it say below? Can you read?
Hmm. It's not a clearing document.
Correct. It is not a clearing document because the payment has not been done for it. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
But if you go to slash n, FB08, if you go to FB08, you can reverse the document. You remember? Reverse the document you can do from your debit credit will become credit debit like last time. Yes or no? Everybody remembers that reversing?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you go slash n, now let's make the payment for this F dash 53 F dash 53 document date account amount is 1000 only, right? Enter. Let me deactivate everything. I have deactivated everything and I'm making the payment 1000. Okay. Standard payment post. Yes or no? Now we have 5003 has been posted. Now if you go to slash n FBL1L and remove this. Open items. Open items in 1000 is not there. Now it is there in cleared items. That 1000 is there in. Can you see? It is there in cleared items 50000003. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now can we do
Yes.
FBRA for this for clearing document?
Yes, we can
Yes,
do.
sir.
Now let's go.
Yes, sir.
Let's go. Now it is cleared. Now it is cleared. But now we have to do FBRA first and then only reverse. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Will reverse work for it right now? Will reverse work for it right now? If we do reversal for it right
No,
now.
sir.
No, right? Wrong posting. Let me see. Enter. What does it say?
Document includes already cleared items. Reversal not possible.
Correct. Already it is cleared. So reversal not possible. So first we have to do after it is getting cleared, we have to do FBRA. We'll go to FBRA fiscal year. This is the document 2026. Yes, and then post. So only reset. Only reset. Can you see? 50003 has been reset. Now if you go to FBL 1N, yes, it is no longer there in cleared items. 1000 will not be there in the cleared items now. See, it is not there. If you go to open items, again, it will be there. Let me remove this. Let me go to cleared items first. See, that 1000 is not there in the cleared items. Yes or no? It is back in open items.
Yes, sir.
Yes, 1000 is open. Now, can we do reversal for this?
Mm, yes.
Now we can do reversal for this. FB08, document number 50003, 1, post. See, it has been reversed. Yes or no? Document 200 was posted. Clear what is reverse posting and what is FBRA? Clear, everyone? Okay, can someone
Yes,
explain me
sir.
what is FBRA? Can someone explain me what is FBRA?
The clear it will clear in cleared items. It we can reset the amount. Doc
Okay, okay. What is the difference between reverse and FBRA? What is the difference between reverse and FBRA?
in reverse document, we can move open items into reverse, but in FDRI only cleared documents can be moved.
Correct. Once the payment is cleared, only FBRA is possible. Yes. And only
Yes,
after
sir.
FBRA resetting it, only then reversal is possible. Clear, everyone? Alekya, Shravya, Indumati, Kartiki, Ashutosh. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any questions? Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, first tell me, are you guys practicing? Alekya, Shravya, Indumati, Kartiki, Ashutosh. Are you all practicing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So only Alekya is asking me questions. What about others? Why are you not asking me questions? Shravya, Indumati, Karthik, Ashutosh. आप लोग सवाल क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो?
Honestly, sir, last 2-3 session I have not practiced. I will do it tomorrow because there is no time due to my evening shift.
Okay, okay, no problem. What about Shravya, Karthik, Ashutosh? Why are you not practicing or why are you not asking questions? You have to tell me now. At least tell me what is wrong.
सर मेरे पास ना लैपटॉप नहीं है, तो मैं लैपटॉप लाने वाली हूँ 2 दिन के बाद, तो मैं कर लूंगी प्रैक्टिस।
ठीक है, चलेगा. Okay. What about Shravya?
So I got the access on Monday, sir. Since Monday I was practicing and I created the company codes and chart of accounts, sir. I'm in this middle.
Okay, so everything is going fine for you. No errors as of yet. Yes?
So yesterday I got it out, sir. I asked you and you cleared me. Till
Sorry?
today it's okay, sir. Yesterday I got it out, sir. I asked you and you cleared me also.
Okay, 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 okay. All right. Okay, Shravya. Okay. Ashutosh, what about you?
सर लास्ट 2 सेशन मैंने प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया है, मंडे और ट्यूसडे. बिफोर दैट आई डोंट हैव एनी डाउट.
ठीक है, तो प्रैक्टिस करो और मुझे क्वेश्चंस पूछो. ठीक है?
जी जी.
Yes, sure, sir.
ठीक. चलो. All right. Any questions for today? Okay, if
नो
no
सर.
questions, thank you very much. I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay?